Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Active Riders, and this is your host Vimal. So I hope you enjoyed the drone shot, and if you have enjoyed it, then do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do share this video. And apart from this, I'm going to share you one really wonderful bike video, which is a completely tourer modified RTR 200 4V. And without wasting any time, let's show you this bike.
Okay, so front of me what you're seeing is not any bigger vehicle. This is a normal RTR 204V, and this model is particularly BS4 2017 end model. So if you see what and all things have been changed, has a huge things like you can see these are off-road tires. Okay, you can see these are the fenders, universal fenders which you can put. These are LED lights from Autofly. So these are 16 LED lights, okay, each. So you have two over there, and these tires are Maxxis tires, off-road tires. These front are purely off-road tires, okay, and this is stock size. This is not any addition size or anything. This is stock size, okay. And he has put the the protector for the fog, so it doesn't spoil much. Fog seal, dust and other stuff it goes. So again they have changed LED. So this is the very easy and very first modification which you can do if you are owning 2016, 17, 18, and maybe early 19 RTR 200s, and the new one already have a LED headlight, okay, that is BS6 model. Now comes the major thing at the top. This is the um, visor. It's called universal visor, but it's from Ninja 250's visor. Uh, these are the blockbusters, you can see, protectors basically, and guard. And these are very good quality because aluminum is here. It's completely framed by aluminum, if you can see. Okay, so this is one thing. The mirror are changed because RTR mirror, it tend to bend down a bit. So this is bit changed. And how they have put the visor is very simple. You can see the entire the flow is here. If you want the detail about these things, you can comment down below, and we can make a separate video for this one, that how he has done. This is the handlebar. You can see he has added a removing clip-on handlebar and a single handlebar. So that's one thing. Mobile charger, and these all switches are for the lights and everything. It gives a really good position actually, to be honestly, when I have driven this vehicle. This is the self-designed crash guard which the owner has done by himself. Too many things went on this one actually. If you can see from here, he has a plate over here which has been connected, and then he has a given an extension over here, a rod which can connect, and this plate connects over there. So it gives a very sturdy feel. And sorry, the bike is dirty because we had ridden too much in off-road today, so that's the why. But still we wanted to show this particular thing. These are again same sprocket what I am using, 47 teeth, which I'll explain in the other video. This one is his own pannier setup which he has done. It took him too much of time actually, going and doing because we don't have much modification on RTR 200. If you need complete detail about this one, do comment down below. We'll make a separate video how it went. The owner himself will explain you guys how it went down completely. But if you can see, he has added from there. It's a very sturdy, it's a very sturdy build basically. See, the indicators are changed to LED indicators. Okay, is this tires? Okay, these are Timsum tires. Okay, and these are stock size. Okay, 130 by 17, 130 by 70, 70. Okay, these are the stock size of the tires. So you see from the entire angle, this bike looks really good. It has a really good presence in road also, and it is a very comfortable bike now for touring. And if anyone is using RTR 200 and he thinks that he want to tour on that bike, then just see this bike. and then maybe you can comment down as below how you can do, how you can get, and the owner himself will update you how he can you can get all these things fitted in your bike. If you are from Bangalore, let us know. Even he has a YouTube channel, so I'll be leaving the link below of his YouTube channel. You will really found a really good drone shots of the of in his channel, because he really tours a lot and he has a really good drone shots actually. So do not miss, go check that out, and do subscribe to his channel and do subscribe to my channel too.